Welcome back, YouTube. Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss again today. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my Southern Smoke cabbage and potatoes. So the ingredients I got is some baby red potatoes. Oh, sorry about that. Some coarse cabbage. I got some carrots. I got some celery. I got green onions. So and some chicken broth. So I'm gonna set all that to the side. So what we're gonna start by first doing is cutting up our veggies like the onions, the carrots, and the celery. I'm gonna go ahead and get that sauteing while we're cutting up the cabbage. So here I just have some bacon grease the bacon I cooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour them in here and we're gonna saute them up. Let that saute and we'll go back over here and cut up our cabbage. Now we have our vegetables nice and sauteed. We're going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. And we're going to add in our red potatoes and let them boil for about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and add in our cabbage. Now that our veggies and potatoes have got to a nice boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our cabbage. If you don't have a super big pot, you may have to add it in by sections as it cooks down. Just put the top on, let it go ahead and get cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and put some salt and pepper in here. You just put as much as the seasoning as you like to your tasting. I'm just going to go ahead and stir it on in there. Alright, so our cabbage is nice and done. We're going to go ahead and put it in a bowl. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by, checking on your boy Southern Smoke today, making me watch my nice veggies. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.